Hi guys, welcome to the course of Create and Manage Facebook Promotions for Pages, Products, Services Successfully and More Confident. In this course, I will teach you all about Facebook promotions, how to use groups through Facebook, how to create professional pages with the good ads for posts and get more fans, more likes for your pages. In this course, we will talk about basics of Facebook, how to create your first page at Facebook, how to manage your content at Facebook. Also, you will learn how to create and manage your Facebook ads through your post of the page. Also, we will make some rates for our existing Facebook ads. Then we will create new promotions at the admins of ad manager of the Facebook. Also, I will teach you on other hand on different side how to make your Facebook marketing for fans to sales. At this part, I will teach you more about Facebook marketing psychology and Facebook marketing, how to get more relevant Facebook fans. Then I will teach you how to learn the lead generation using Facebook marketing and nurturing leads from Facebook, and how to convert nurtured hot leads into sales. By the way, I will teach you on other hand with different ways how to market for e-commerce store without Facebook ads. In this part, I will teach you how to make money on Facebook, Facebook marketing optimization tactics, Facebook secret revealed, and how to engage with your customers the profitable way. Finally, we have to make a conclusion of our course. Be patient to learn more about Facebook ads, Facebook tactics, Facebook scenario. Be patient to take a lot of information. Firstly, I will upload 20 lectures at this course, between 20 to 30 lectures. After providing the first pages with the first promotions, we will keep time sometimes to see the results, so that after 1 week we will upload the other lectures and we will keep going to improve more skills about Facebook, so that we'll come again to this course.